Shadows mimic love against the glare of the bedroom lamp. A taste of sweat in a kiss, traces of an inseminating stamp. Twisted, curled, embraced and desired within ice and flame. Salt and sugar and nectar's texture upon the tongue as they came, as they came, as they came. A forgotten world externalized by the distraction of passion renders on ignorant and unnoticed to a lover's solicitation. Their allowance given freely, barriers fall as does her body upon him. A majesty of contours glinting with moist sapphires to every whim, every whim, every whim. Forged of nature, as the body is translucent to the bearing of the soul, her perfect breasts covet the loss of sanity and permission to lose control. An ensemble exchange of humanity as one indulges, the other engulfs, gripped in arms of a consented invasion that smooths and roughs, smooths and roughs, smooths and roughs. The undulating sway, danced and conjoined in this corporeal worship, tuned to the breath of exhalation when center place of thigh, hip. Eyes meet eyes in the thunder to the heart from invisible lightning. Intensity builds, like the conditions to a perfect storms becoming, storms becoming, storms becoming. Human body guided in repetition of motion, like clockwork symmetry, touching the soul of the other in unison of an emotion's purity. Gripped, embraced and held by the internal flesh, explored and awoken. Teased and tethered by the threads entwined, perfect and silken and silken and silken. Quickened by the senses as liberation finds the place of perfect nurture. Eyes shut tight, yet still perceptions adorn upon the journey's rapture. Hastened by the total and unconditional surrender of yonder flesh. Skin embraced by skin, touched and tasted by pleasures to enmesh, to enmesh, to enmesh, to enmesh, to enmesh. A sleepless connection throughout hours of the breathless touch, the artisan expression of physical love and tender felt clutch, lost in the gentle arms of another, yielding to that perfect serenity, never fleeting to share another soul in this ultimate epitome, epitome, epitome.